I'm Dr. Binu. In underground cable engineering, the fourth topic in the second unit is armor and protective finishes. This applies mainly to power distribution cable. Certainly, in relation to armor, special considerations apply to wiring type cables and to transmission cable. Features relating the design of both these group of cables are given with the design aspects in the relevant chapter. Lead sheeted paper insulated cables are having two universal types of armor or steel tape, that is STA, and a galvanized steel wire system. This GSW is usually referred as single wire armor. This diagram represents the armored wires as well as unarmored cables. Steel tapes are applied over a cushion of bitumenized textile materials, which also contribute to corrosion protection. Two tapes are applied helically, each tape having a gap between turns of up to half the width of the tape, and the second tape covering the gap and overlapping the edges of the first tape. By applying the two tapes from the same tapping head of the armoring machine, the lay length of each tape is identical and the tapes registered correctly with each other. Single core cables. A problem arises with single core cables because in their installation formation, the armor is situated between the conductors, and if a magnetic material is used, it causes high induced current in the armor. What is meant by armor conductance? Technical details of the importance of armor conductance with a particular reference to wiring cables. What is meant by armoring for polymetric insulated cables? The lower voltage, that is up to 3.3 kilovolt PVC or XLPE cables, have replaced PALS cables, require mechanical protection of a similar standard for various reasons. Ease of cable handling and armor conductance, SW is normally used. These cables are usually an extruded PVC over sheet, are used to for cables to meet certain performance requirements in files. Protective finishes. These are for the protection of the metal sheets, reinforcement and armor in buried distribution and the transmission cable. The installation is below or above the cable. Very few cables are supplied without protective finishes. The newer designs of the above categories of cables, an oversheet of extruded PVC or MDPE has become nearly universal protective. Newer designs of the above categories of cables. Thank you.